Hi. Namhlanje ngizoyenza i-trade review ngichaza i-trade lengiyithathile lama-trade la ngiwathathe today. So today daily bias beyi-bearish. Angithathanga ama-trade ngo-London session kodwa ngithatha ama-trades NY session ayi-two. So reason why bayi-two is because i-daily risk yami ngiyi-split-e into two. So first trade beyi-loss, second trade yaba yi-win. So on the daily chart i-bias beyi-bearish. Kodwa i-daily candle bithathe both the high and the low already of the previous day. So ngayenzani, ngaya ku-1 hour. Ngifika ku-1 hour ngathola ukuthi nakhona kune-bearish candle closure, which was good because mara benyeke ngibe picky if beyi-bullish because the low had already been taken of the previous day, yabona. But beyi-bearish, which was good. So ngaya ku-hourly, ngaya ku-1 minute for i-entry, SMT entry, because today ngitrader i-freedom model, which is part of the harmonic trinity. So the thing le ngiyenzile ukuthi mengifika laphaya first hour bekungana setup, bekungana SMT to the downside, and then second hour ngaya back to the 1 hour just to check ukuthi isaze i-bearish bias, yabona, i-bearish candle closure, and that was the case. So ngabuyela ku-1 minute ku-1 minute chart ngathola i-hidden SMT, not as good but nakhona i-SMT still. So ithe yenze kanjalo i-hidden SMT nga entera kuyo when price was going lower, confirming the TCSD, but then yaphezulu yayenzani, stopper out. So into engayenza then from then, since i-bearish bias was still kind of strong, yabona, for that hour, ngamela i-entry enye through i-fair value gap to the downside. So then ngayithola, then I just used that ukuthi ngithathe le trade, then yaba i-win. So the first trade was a loss, second was a win. Anyways, ngiyabonga muthatha isikhathi sokubuka le video. Sure.